The Golden Bird and the Lost Land of Laughter. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there was a small land known as the Land of Laughter. In that land, everyone laughed, played, and sang together every single day. The trees swayed to the rhythm of giggles, and even the clouds seemed to smile. But one day, the laughter disappeared. No one laughed anymore, no more singing. Even the king sat quietly with a sad face. The skies turned gray, and the wind forgot how to dance. In a cozy little cottage lived a brave little girl named Maya. Her best friend wasn't another child. It was a magical golden bird with sparkling wings and a voice as sweet as honey. One evening, Maya asked, "Golden Bird, do you know where all our laughter went?" The golden bird closed its eyes, listened to the breeze, then replied, "I can hear the laughter, but it's trapped far away, beyond the mountains, captured by a wicked sorcerer." Maya didn't hesitate. "Let's go," she said. "Let's bring it back." So Maya climbed onto the golden bird's back, and off they flew across rivers, stormy skies, and deep dark forests. They braved wind and thunder until they reached a black mountain where the sorcerer lived. There, in a shiny glass box, were all the lost giggles and chuckles, swirling like tiny stars. The wicked sorcerer laughed. "If you want them back, you must answer my riddle." And here was the riddle. "The more you give me, the more I grow. But if you keep me, I disappear. What am I?" Maya thought deeply, and then she smiled. "Love, yes, love." "Love," she answered confidently, her eyes sparkling with excitement. The sorcerer gasped. "You're right." The glass box shattered, and the laughter danced into the sky, floating back to the kingdom like bubbles of joy. Everyone laughed again. The king smiled, the sun returned, and the clouds giggled once more. The king declared, "Maya and her golden bird are the heroes of our land." As they flew back home, the golden bird whispered in Maya's ear, "Never be afraid. As long as you carry love and courage in your heart, you can bring light back to even the darkest places." Moral: with love and courage, even lost happiness can be found again. My dearest heart of the story, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.